Ever wondered how to make your own burn salve using natural ingredients? Today we're going to explore the world of natural remedies, specifically focusing on a homemade salve for burns. The ingredients we'll be using are pure aloe vera gel, coconut oil, lavender essential oil, and beeswax. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in healing burns. Aloe vera, renowned for its cooling and soothing properties, provides instant relief, while coconut oil, a natural moisturizer, keeps the skin hydrated to prevent peeling. Lavender essential oil, on the other hand, is a powerful ally in reducing pain and inflammation, providing a calming effect. Lastly, beeswax forms a protective barrier on the skin, locking in the beneficial properties of the other ingredients and shielding the burn from external irritants. These ingredients are not just effective, but also natural and gentle on your skin. Gather these ingredients and you're ready to start making your own burn salve. Start by gathering all your ingredients: 1/2 cup of aloe vera gel, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 10 drops of lavender essential oil, and 2 tablespoons of beeswax. With these in hand, it's time to craft your burn salve. Kick things off with a double boiler setup. If you don't own one, don't worry. You can easily create one by placing a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water. Into this bowl, throw in your beeswax and coconut oil, known for their moisturizing properties and ability to create a skin-protective layer. These two ingredients play a role in burn healing. As the heat gently melts the beeswax and coconut oil, stir them together until they blend into a smooth, liquid consistency. Once they've completely dissolved, remove your bowl from the heat. Now it's time to introduce the aloe vera gel and lavender essential oil. Aloe vera, a popular burn remedy, boasts of its cooling and anti-inflammatory capabilities. On the other hand, lavender essential oil not only lends a calming aroma to your salve, but also accelerates skin regeneration. Stir these ingredients in until they're married well together with your beeswax and coconut oil mixture. Then pour the mixture with caution into a container of your preference. Allow it to cool down and solidify. This might take a few hours, but remember, patience is key. There you have it. You've successfully concocted your own natural burn salve. It's ready to be put to use next time you or someone familiar encounters a minor burn. And that's a wrap. Now, how to use this salve and what to expect. For minor burns, gently apply the salve, avoiding any severe or open wounds. Properly stored, this natural remedy typically has a shelf life of about a year. With regards to recovery, minor burns can take a few days to a week to heal with appropriate care. The nutrients in our ingredients aid in this healing process. But let's not forget, remember, always consult a healthcare professional for serious burns. You've taken the first step towards natural remedy solutions. Let's continue this journey together. Share your experiences with the burn salve. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Stay healthy.